program is for registered nurses who are coming back to school to complete their bachelor's degree. And the beautiful thing about our program is that it is based on holistic health and healing. And that means there's a body, mind, and spiritual component in every course. We weave it throughout our curriculum, throughout our program. Nursing is it's a lifelong path, adventure of healing, self-healing as well, so that we can be healthy role models for our patients and families and basically our communities.
Other bachelor's programs don't teach the holistic perspective. They do the community health perspective, yes, they do the pharmacology, do all those classes that we do, but we have an emphasis of holistic nursing, which is the theory of Barbara Dossi that we use. It's called the theory of integral nursing, and that's weaved into all the classes.
The joy of this work is being able to take it to the next level and to look at basing this work on the philosophical foundation of nursing, which is the life of Florence Nightingale. And in doing that, we can then move forward to look at our scope and standards of nursing practice, and then looking at the relevance of our work as nurses.
It just kind of brought me forward. I mean, I had to meet the program holistically. I had to bring my entire self. It brought a lot of, I think for me, there was a lot of vulnerability that, it's kind of an intimate process, you know, to really try to connect with someone holistically, you have to be there holistically.
Really, when we're looking at a bachelor's program, what are we looking for? We're looking for growth as nurses. We're looking at a way for us to better care for our patients and care for ourselves. And I think that that's what Northern's program can do for you. And it certainly has done it for me.
The students love it. They, it's an eye-opening experience. They're not learning to be specific integrative type practitioners. They're just looking at the holistic perspective of in other words, not just coming from a Western medicine, sick in the hospital or prescription only, but looking at other forms of healing, different cultures, different aspects of healing.
I'm in nursing to help my community. And in order to help my community, I need to understand what the people from my community want. And my community does not always accept Western medicine. They want to know their alternatives. They want to know that their remedios, their remedies from their ancestors can still be used today, that the herbs that they grow in their yard are okay. We learn more about our patients and we start to incorporate more of what our patients want in their care.
The heart-to-heart connection and the talking and connecting with people is one of the most important things you can do. It's important to have technical skills and academic skills and know your research. However, if you don't if you don't communicate and really and are not present and connected with the patient and their family, it's an occupation, not a vocation.
So you may ask, why should a student choose our program over another RN to BSN program? Because there are many RN to BSN programs, both statewide and nationwide. Many of them are online, so a student in a different state could choose, a program halfway across the country. I think a reason to choose Northern's holistic RN to BSN program because it offers a different perspective. So I would invite interested students to think about, are you satisfied with your health? Are you satisfied with the healthcare system? Would you like to expand your view of what is health?
Sometimes healers, which are nurses, are wounded healers. That's what Jung said. We have wounds of our own that we have to deal with, and then working with patients too. So if the better a nurse takes care of herself, the better she is to take care of somebody else. So it's very important. It's a very important concept, self-care. To me, I quilt. I'm a quilter. To me, that's self-care. And people might not say, that's not self-care. Well, I think it is. I tell you, each person has their own idea. Cada mente es un mundo. Every mind is its own world.
We live in a multi-dimensional world, and how precious nursing was something that I didn't really look forward to initially. But once my employer encouraged me to attend and I met with all the staff here, I just started to grow in a lot of different ways, both my professional practice and my personal life. I started to take better care of myself and incorporate a lot of the practices that I learned here.
We have to be very clear about what our mission and our purpose is, and that we work from our core values. And when we're working from core values, we're able to do our work in the world.
It's an ABC kind of credit program, but it really focuses on where you're going from here. It wants to ready you for anything that you would like to do in your future. Many students that have graduated from Northern's BSN Holistic program have gone on to master's programs and doctorate programs.
I did attend some courses at another college that I was considering, a university, it was just a really different vibe. I mean, I was just really drawn to the energy at Northern. I felt I was welcomed here.
I will never forget all that I've learned here at Northern in the Integral Holistic BSN program. It changed my life. It made me a better person, a better nurse, a better mother, and it helped me grow both personally and professionally.
If you're a registered nurse and you're considering which RN to BSN program to attend, you won't be disappointed if you attend Northern's holistic program. I think it'll open your mind to different possibilities. It's a special program and it's a beautiful curriculum, and I think that you'll be satisfied with your education. It's a quality curriculum. We have excellent faculty, and all of our students who've graduated from our program have just said such wonderful things, and it's really transformational. It can really change your life to think in a different way about health and about nursing practice. So we would love to have you join us.